Alright guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Badmus Faruq. I am a French trader, crypto trader for those who are just seeing me for the first time. Alright, all I do on my channel is to educate concerning forex trading and analyze the market together in order for us to make profit. So currently, as you can see, I'm on SAUSD. For those who do not know SAUSD, it's also known as gold. So those are the major pair we trade in forex trading because I'm a scalper trader. So I trade pair that are fast. So I focus on BTC and SAUSD. So right now, today, I just want to do the top analysis. As you can see, the market is not currently moving. So meaning we are in weekend. So and the market will open tomorrow. So now, for those who are just be asking me, is okay, let me just do the top analysis. For they want to know what really they should be expecting immediately the market move because these nowadays the market has been moving crazily. Around September up to the upward, the market has been moving an uptrend, going back to back up from 33 up to 50 something. So now currently now because of the geopolitical news event, now the market has been moving crazily. Even small lot size is not even safe for beginners again. So now I want to do the top analysis so they understand basically what they should be looking for because right now some people are seeing is this market still gonna be pumping, moving in is upward down, or is still going to come down again. So now before I start, let's just quickly do the top down analysis. Top down analysis. So I believe where should I start from for them to understand? For them to understand. So quickly gonna make profit. I think this is the last live. This is the last live. So I don't need to talk about this again. We already know. So currently what happened here, what we are the first thing we are going to do as a trader is to mark our trend out. Just to mark our trend out. I believe I already explained what really happened here. So it's not new to those who have been watching my life. So basically what we just need to do is to mark out our zone, our just to mark the market structure. So currently now all this one are well explained. So the market is moving a downtrend here, giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and the market immediately the market get up to this particular place, the market starts changing. So that's basically what happened there. So I said let me just explain for you guys. And this particular displays, let's just mark it out as well. So market move up to this particular place to come down, giving us a small downtrend here, and the market break it to an upward side. So what we are simply going to do is to mark up. As you can see, this is a clear example of the uptrend, giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So what basically we are going to do is just to mark our trend out first. This is basically what we are going to do. Just mark the trend out. Yeah, as you can see, touching it at least steady. So this is a perfect example of downtrend. And immediately the market get up here, the market fails to break this previous high, meaning the market change trend to a downward side. So now basically same thing happen here. Just drag it down. Same thing happen here. So in the market after moving an uptrend, just give us a down, just give us lower low here and continue moving his bar in his uptrend. So this is the another example of the market is still moving uptrend usually for those right from this particular place. No, I already tell you guys that right from around maybe September, the market has been moving an uptrend, moving good market has been moving up crazily. You know, many people are making money crazily. What you just need to do, even though you have a zero knowledge, all you just need to do is just buy and forget. That's it for let's say USD right now. Just buy and forget before. But currently right now, you cannot even predict whether it's still moving or moving down because of all these geopolitical. So let me why the screen here so we can do the analysis very well. So as you can see right from this particular place still moving up. Imagine you just buy at any zone for this particular place, you're still gonna be in profit. But I am not advising you to be trading blindly. Trade with business. Let me just write it out and do the analysis again as usual. So now we are going to do the first thing is to mark up our trend. Mark the trend out. Okay, mark the trend out again. Mark the trend out again. So why so you guys can see. Let me just write you guys can see. Okay, so let me drag this one down here up to this particular place and then come down. Okay, come down a bit. This is perfect. This is perfect. Let this one touch this higher high. This previous high. Okay, I think this is good. So it's too long. Let's just make it short. Since it's only for to up to this place. So yes, it's making sense. So what we need to do, we have another lower low here. So meaning the market is moving a downtrend right from this particular place. So you just need to mark this one out again. Mind you, you should be using trend to mark out trend line to mark out your trend, not zone. Zone I used to mark out support and resistance. Zone I used to mark out support and resistance. So basically, let's get everything clear. Clear, 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 clear. Okay, yes. So up to this particular place, the market is still dropping, so there's no really need for us to. As you can see, what do you guys observe here? Immediately for right for this particular place, immediately the market is keep dropping down, keep dropping down, keep dropping down, keep dropping down. But immediately the market gets up to this particular place, the structure change. The market starts moving from the downtrend line to an uptrend. So that's one of the important that you need to. So now let's move down. Let's pick uptrend. Well, the basic of this content is just for you guys to understand what we should be expecting once the market open. So right now we are just doing all the top down analysis for you guys to know okay what we should be looking for. So you understand okay it's good as we moving an uptrend before right now it has moving an upward is before right now is now moving up down giving us uptrend downtrend. As you can see right from all this particular place, what we are seeing so far is uptrend, uptrend before. As you can see, all this particular place uptrend before. But right now, as you can see, after the uptrend, we have a big downtrend here, and now we are boom, we are back in an uptrend here back again. So meaning what I've been doing with this life oh sorry. So now all the analysis as you can see so far what we have been having since morning is the uptrend downtrend, meaning the market is just moving uptrend downtrend, not even sideways. So as you can see, so that means the market is changing structure from uptrend to the downtrend, from uptrend to the downtrend. As you can see what is happening right here. So happen right here from the uptrend down from the from the downtrend, the market change the structure from the downtrend to an uptrend, giving us higher low, higher low, and as you can see, the market is still respecting the uptrend sideways. So now, as you can see, when it goes to all this particular place again, the structure change again. As you can see, it automatically change again. So still gonna mark it down. So meaning what I'm be doing now, gold has been going an uptrend, uptrend, downtrend. So let me just explain basically. So for those who want to start the trading next week or who have been in loss, you know how you trade. So do not do event trading. Not do event trading. As you can see, it's still touch 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So this is a perfect downtrend, giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Immediately the market get up to this particular place again, same thing happen. So basically, what I've been doing since what do you guys observe so far in this trading? As you can see, what you have been what with this analysis, you see, it's simple. We just marking out the trend alone is a lot. The market is already telling us what it's doing, what's happening. As you can see, what I have been analyzing so far, as you can see, the market is just moving a downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. And before, currently, check all this particular place, the market is moving in an uptrend before, uptrend. Let me check the price here before. Okay, still 40 something. As you can see, the market has been moving an uptrend so far, uptrend. But immediately the market get up to this particular place, we start seeing the trend start changing, moving an uptrend, downtrend. As you can see, we have uptrend here. The market change to downtrend right on this particular place, giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It get up to this particular place again. The market change the trend from downtrend to an upward trend. Oh, sorry. The market change the downtrend from downtrend to an upward trend again. And when it gets to this particular place, the market still change the trend again. So As you can see, the market is just changing trend for the uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So basically, with this analysis, what we can see now, so is uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So as you can see right now, this particular place, the market starts moving in downtrend, and when it gets to the particular place, it changes the structure, change the structure from the downtrend to an uptrend. And with the past analysis now, what do you observe? The same thing, moving uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So what we should be expecting basically, if the market is still following all this with this our analysis, so what we should be expecting now for the if the market should open, the market should continue moving back into this uptrend, and then if you want to change anything, it will either be the downtrend. And as a smart trader, when the market is moving an uptrend, you know what you're supposed to be doing, and if the market is moving a downtrend, you know what you're supposed to be doing. Don't go against the trend of the market. You know, a word is enough for a wise. So that's basically how it is. So this is clear that we should be the market is moving an uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So basically, once the market open, what should we be expecting? We should expect the market to continue moving back in its uptrend. As you can see, the market is still respecting the uptrend, giving us higher high up to this particular place. Give us higher. Okay, let me use trend line to understand, to mark it up for those who are new, because those those who are already trading will understand what I'm saying. As you can see, market give us higher high here, give us higher low, higher high here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So what do we expect again? The market to break into an upward side. So this is a perfect example. Market should break upward side, give us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that's basically what you should be expecting once the market to continue this uptrend that is forming. So there is no any sign for me here for the market to change the direction from the use uptrend to downtrend. So as you can see, if you already been watching, if you are in my class, you will know how the market's moving an uptrend, a downtrend, and how the market change direction from the uptrend to downtrend, and what to do concerning the trend, and how to trade everything concerning what I just finished explaining right now. So for those who already know about trading, they should know, okay, this is a tip for them to guide. I'm not saying you should be using my own strategy. You might have your own strategy that is working. Any strategy that is working it will be a best strategy. Are you getting me? In as much as the strategy is giving you more wins than losses. But if the market is giving, if the your strategy is giving you 50-50, the strategy will give you 50-50 win, 50-50 lose. You shouldn't be using the strategy, because let's for example you trade with the strategy, you make $1,000 and then you later lose that $1,000. So what's the difference between you and those who do not even trade at all? So there's no differences. So difference, your strategy must be giving you a win rate. So if your must be giving you a win rate more than your loss. So if at least if you use your strategy for a 10 trade, at least you should be winning at least 7. Are you getting me? So if you minus the 7 minus the 10, you know you are still up. Are you getting? But if it's 5-5, 10 trade, 5 wins, 5 loss is rubbish. Why are you bothering yourself to even trade? So and if your loss is higher than your winning rate, using your strategy is wrong. So your strategy must be giving you more wins than your loss. So that's how we call trading, is you are trading like you know how to trade professionally. So right now, for with this tip, you should understand that the market is moving an uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, and downtrend. So with this, what I just finished explaining, you can add it to your own strategy, and this is a little tip for you to guide with your trading this week. So as you can see, the market now is I just finished explaining